Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the Hotcoin app and explore its main features, including assets, markets, spot trading, and futures trading. If you're new to cryptocurrency trading, this guide will help you understand the platform and get started. First, download and install the Hotcoin app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account using your email address or phone number. Complete any required verification steps and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, let's begin with the Assets section. This is where you can view your account balance, cryptocurrency holdings, deposit history, and withdrawal records. You can also transfer funds between different account types if the platform supports it. Next, visit the Markets section. Here you'll find live cryptocurrency prices, trending coins, market rankings, and trading pairs. You can search for popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and many others. This section helps you track market movements and identify trading opportunities. Now let's move to the spot trading section. Select a trading pair such as BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, and choose either a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set your preferred price. Review your order details carefully before confirming the trade. For users interested in advanced trading, Hotcoin also offers a futures trading section. Futures trading allows you to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements using leverage. Since leverage trading carries higher risk, make sure you understand how it works before placing any futures orders. That's a quick overview of how to use the Hotcoin app and its main features, including assets, markets, spot trading, and futures trading. This video is made for educational purposes only and is not based on personal experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video.